Hi guys, it's Ray. I know I've been kind of absent this week, but I've had a lot on my plate. I finally got my journaling kit project done and I feel so good about that. So I've gotten some progress on the Etsy stuff done. It's kind of random what's listed and what's not, but I will get to it all in time. There's just one of me. So this is my first for this channel. I don't normally bring stuff like this to this channel, but I'm making an exception. I do usually do unboxings and stuff when it's Tumblr related, and some of these will be Tumblr related. Some of them are kind of iffy, but everything in this set is geared towards use on Tumblrs. So this is my first sponsored Temu haul for this channel. There's going to be 3 total. This one doesn't require any like demonstration though, so this one's going to go first. But they reached out to me on this channel and they were like, hey, do you want to participate? And I said, well, actually I haul you on my other channel already. And they were like, well, we'll sponsor both channels. And I was like, okay, fine. So I'm just going to dive in no particular order. This is an acrylic paint set. This is just the 12-piece set. They have a 24 also, but I went with the smaller set simply because I didn't want to spend too much of the money they were allotting me for this channel, you know, all in one place. This is very Arteza packaging vibes. So, but it has a white, a yellow, another yellow ochre, burnt umber, burnt sienna, vermilion, scarlet, emerald green, viridian, ultramarine blue, and phthalo cyan blue. Phthalo, that's that word that I can't ever say. And black. My hope is that this is a heavier bodied acrylic. Oh, this is actually a really nice set. It comes with a cute little palette, and it has a little brush set of its own. And yeah, so this is a good rainbow of color. But I'm hoping that this is like a heavier bodied acrylic. I'm gonna look at the burnt umber. Of course, they're all well sealed, I mean, which is good. That perhaps I can paint and glitter. I don't know, they feel, it looks a little thinner like a regular bottle acrylic, but we're gonna find out. I've been meaning to pick up you know, tube acrylic paints for a while, so I figured, oh, what the heck? I mean, I can always use acrylic paint, so I picked up that, or I picked out that, and then I picked out a package of artist brushes. I thought I picked like the mint, but I got white, but I always need paint brushes. Let me backtrack though, and the links for everything will be down below. And for new users, I do now have codes. So my code for this one, this channel, it doesn't really matter. I don't think which code you use, but I'm not sure, is here, HEAR 888. So, but this paint set was $10.99. So, that's why I was hoping it would be decent quality versus the price. The brushes were $1.58, so nothing major there. And I did see a new butane torch, and this thing is a monster compared to my current one. I do have a backup torch, but it is living out by our pellet stove currently, so I was like, well, if they want to send me stuff, I can definitely use a new torch, because mine has, it's seen better days. So, It does have a safety on it. But I'm kind of hoping, yeah, so it's an actual on-off safety, which is good because my hands don't always work. And the adjustment for the flame is right here, which is good. This is really solid and sturdy. You know, the fill valve, and I do believe I have enough butane to fill this one. So I'm going to get it filled, and my next tumbler, and the next tumbler I finish, we're going to see this on. And this was $11.48, which my backup torch is one of those little red Bronsons that was like $17 at Walmart and holds, you know, the butane cylinder's about that big and you have to fill it every 5 minutes, and it's an absolute piece of crap and very difficult to light and work. So for under $12, that's not bad at all. The comparable ones I saw on Amazon that I'm now not even sure are comparable because this is much higher quality than I was actually expecting. But the one closest to this I saw was $19. So, you know, I ordered another pack of these little glitter stars. They're the 4-pointed stars. And I cannot remember if I already hauled these or not. So this may be another pack of these, but they are the 4-pointed holographic stars. These were 49 cents. So, and these, there are 3 of them here. These were $1.49 each. They say acrylic powder because these are a nail product. So they go with an acrylic nail system. But they are supposed to be glow powders. So I'm actually going to grab my nail lamp in a second and we'll charge them up and see. But I got the pink, the green, which looks yellow, and the blue. So maybe I ordered yellow, not green. I don't really know. Or maybe it glows green, but it's a yellow powder. But they did have several more colors. But like I said, these are $1.49, which really wasn't bad for as big a jar as it is. It's funny because they're in liquid measure, not grams. Like the complete opposite you expect for powders. So I'm gonna put you on hold a second and go grab my nail lamp and plug it in here next to me. I should have thought of that before, I'm sorry. So yeah, I paused that to go get my nail lamp, which is now over here. It's been charging these for like 100 hours or so. I finished the video. Never, ever unpaused the video. So I quick looked back at what I'd already shown, and I think the only thing I missed was I got a 5-pack of these squeegees that were $3.99. They're the felt edge squeegees because the felt does wear down on these over time, and when you're doing like printed decals and printed vinyl, you really do want a felt squeegee. So yeah, so now I'm stocked up on those. I'm thrilled to have a bunch of them because they're always kind of wandering off, and the regular side is just a regular one you can use for standard vinyls, whatever. And I'd also ordered a pin pen. These also do wear out, and I've never been successful in finding a pin that actually worked as a replacement in any of these for me. So I ended up buying new ones, and I mean, I never get rid of the old ones, so I just have a collection of like pin pens that don't really work or may work if they want to on any given day. So, new pin pen. I did, while I was being frustrated with myself, watching myself back, go over and fill this. I am pretty much out of butane, so when I go to the store this weekend, I'm going to have to restock because I cannot be out of butane between the craft room and the fact that we use it to light our pellet stove at this point. So I'm going to turn my safety off. I have no idea where my flame is set currently. Feels pretty far to the high side, but who knows? Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, she works. So, holy, I would definitely be lighting a cup on fire with that. That's nice. I'd probably be somewhere in there. Maybe I won't set my cups on fire all the time. So, that is actually very nice. I will definitely need to stock up on some butane too. Okay. I don't even have to turn the light off to tell you that these are glowing like mad crazy. But I'm going to shut the light off for you. So pink, green, and blue glow. Yeah. So for $1.49 each, there's actually quite a bit in here because you don't generally use that much glow powder all at once anyways. So I'm good with that. If you're a nail person, these are definitely a good buy. And these little packets of stars for 49 cents are definitely a good buy for the nail art people. But that is everything for this haul. The butane torch, the paintbrushes, the paints, the squeegees, the pin pen, the micas, and the stars. So that is my first Temu haul for this channel. If you haven't shopped there before and you're interested, I do have some other molds coming up. You've seen me use the holographic molds. But I have been ordering a ton of craft supplies from them. My big project that I just finished today, woohoo, is all documented on the other channel, or actually not yet, but will be. A lot of that stuff came from the Temu site for like a third or a quarter or less of the price than I would have paid for the same type things on Amazon. So I am absolutely loving Temu. If you haven't checked it out yet, if you want to check it out, remember the code HERE888 will work for 30% off your first order. If you're a returning user, I don't have any codes or anything for you. They don't provide any kind of codes for returning users, but on screen there is constantly some kind of game you can play to come up with a code. So it's very rare that you can't. I mean, I don't actually even bother half the time because my orders are so small. I have like a revolving cart. And I usually check out like every time I get to 20 bucks or something. But it is free shipping. I do believe that within the last week or so, they have started shipping to my Canadian friends. I can neither confirm nor deny that though. But at any rate, Temu, thank you very much for sponsoring this video. I was going to record more today, but I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow because it's freezing rain again. And now I'm going to have to go start my car like a million hours early for work and leave for work super early again. So at any rate, that is it. And I will see you in the next one. We will have 2 more Temu hauls on this channel. One is going to be we're going to demonstrate what I open. The other one, we're going to demonstrate part of what I open. And, but it is for the most part craft related. So anyways, that is it. I will see you next time.